So here's your first problem. It says graph a line that is parallel to the given line to determine the slope of the given line and the one you graphed in simplest form. Click and drag on the graph to draw a line. So I can draw a line anywhere parallel. This is a vertical line, and any other vertical line will be parallel to this one. So I'm just going to draw a vertical line right there. They're parallel. Good for me. Now we have to remember from our notes that vertical lines have undefined slope. So the original line has undefined slope, and because these are parallel, my new slope is also undefined. Oh yeah, so don't let those vertical horizontal lines screw you up. Okay, next problem here. It says graph a line that is perpendicular to the given line. Determine the slope of the given line and the one you graphed in simplest form. Click and drag on the graph to draw the line. So I'm going to use my pen here, and I'm going to first find the slope of this line. So I'm going to use the y-intercept. So I use this point right there. And it looks like this is another good point. So that means I'm going to go down 2 and right 3. So the original line has a slope of negative 2/3. Our lines need to be perpendicular. That means I must take the opposite, and maybe you want to do this yourself. Sorry about my writing. Opposite reciprocal of that slope. So the slope of the new line will be opposite of a negative, which is going to be a positive. And again, you don't need the positive there, but I do it for emphasis. And then the reciprocal. So again, forget the negatives there. We took care of it. What's the reciprocal of 2/3? It's 3/2. There's our two slopes. Negative 2/3, positive 3/2. So I'm going to go ahead and write those down below. So the original line has a slope of negative 2/3. And our new line is going to have a slope of 3/2. And now you can draw that line anywhere you want to. So I'm going to pick a y-intercept. Let's pick 1. And let's count that slope of up 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 2. And there, my two lines look perpendicular. I'm pretty confident. So that was me using slope to then graph my perpendicular line. Check mark, boom, boom, and there we go. Okay, so here's the next question. It says, which equation represents a line that is perpendicular to x equals 0? Okay, well, if you want to be savvy, right, it'd be nice to know what kind of line this is. X equals 0 is a vertical line, right? Vertical. So if we want to be perpendicular, that means that the line we have to choose down here is horizontal. Horizontal lines have the equation y equals a number. So it's not going to be this one because there's x and y. It's not this one because that's x equals. This one would actually be parallel to that line. Okay, so if it was a parallel question, it'd be this one. Here's my choice. Y equals -5. There's no x. It's not that one because there's x and y. So my choice is y equals -5, the equation of a horizontal line. Nice. Okay, that's the end of this video. Another video is coming.